Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And right now I'm just bored. I just started filming because I had nothing to do. My game was so boring, so I'm gonna delete them and download Gacha Life back and I don't even know how to put Gacha Life on YouTube. So just please help me out. But anyway, I'm bored. It's better. So. You guys know my friend Melville. She's been my that had a keep here because black. And she did to Roblox or Gacha Life, I should say. Well, I'm kind of, but I don't really watch them anymore. Like, kind of getting boring, but no, it's all guys. But, yeah. Comment down below which I want to do in the next video. And right now we have to leave because right now we have to it's a direction. Yeah, whatever she just said. It's a direction. Okay. Sorry for all the noise on the fence behind. And we're going home, not school, guys. Yeah, I'm kind of the last one to go home, and I'm kind of the second one to go to school. So, yeah.
What do you mean second one?
Remember you were on the bus before me?
I'm on the bus, and then you're on the bus.
Yeah, I'm the second one to go to school. I mean, get on the bus, I mean. Sorry for all the noise. I know y'all won't be able to hear me, so yeah. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Just please comment down below what you want to do on the next video, because I have no idea. That sun, little bite. I might actually be telling you guys jokes, so comment down below if y'all think it's funny. Just be honest, I don't really care. Right now, you guys, I know I need braces. Yeah. Hello. Your face is shiny. Your face is shiny. It's on your...
Covered with my hair.
Say something.
Why?
Because they can't just sell at you like, so what y'all want to do, like...
I'm just waiting for the people to get me, which is I can literally go inside on my own.
Well, I can. I should go up the stairs to my door.
Yeah, that's what I used to do. All the time. By myself.
Oh, and by the way, you guys, right now, we have papers for signing Santa. We both do. I mean, all of us do. y'all probably don't know what all of us is, but I know she's sick. Bye. She's leaving. Yeah, right now I just don't know what to do. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna be telling guys jokes. For all the noise again, and take it seriously. I mean, no. So right now, here's the first joke. So I was at the bank. And this old lady told me to check her balance. So I pushed her over. Get it? Because her balance is how much money she has right now. And she started me down. Yeah. Then next, the second joke is for Halloween. I know it's not Halloween, but it's just for Halloween. Why do vampires don't attack Taylor Swift? Because she has bad blood. That was funny. You get it because she had bad blood and the song bad blood. And I don't like bad blood. They like good blood. Okay. That's all I have. But I promise you guys I'll tell you guys more jokes in the next video. And yeah, I forgot to do my intro, but actually I didn't. I just don't feel like it. But yeah. So here's the outro. And I know it was just 5 minutes, but I know I'll make it longer tomorrow by making video about Mackenzie or Kiani. From my friends, one of them, my cousin, gotta find out which one, because I already know who she is. And right now, I'm probably gonna make another video. Yeah. But sorry guys, I'm just so tired. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like button if you didn't enjoy it, because I know it's a boring video. But hit that like button if you did enjoy it. If you really enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And right now, I think I'm gonna be doing. I'll post 2 videos each week, not 3, because I don't have time for it's school homework. Physically have a lot of things to do. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. I'll put my cousin's channel in the link on the description below. And you guys know I changed my name, and my cousin changed her name, so I'm gonna put the change of the name right here and put the old name. So yeah. I really hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video, or today's video, or tomorrow. But I love you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Sorry about the noise, by the way. I know it's once I see this video, it's gonna be a lot of noise, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. But I hope you like this video.